I have several videos that rank number 1 on YouTube. What you see is a YouTube video I uploaded last week. My video appeared first in YouTube search after the paid advertisements. This video ranked fast on YouTube in just 10 minutes. Then there are all the videos that still rank 1 in YouTube and getting loads of views. By using 5 simple steps to optimize YouTube videos for SEO, I was able to increase more than 50% of the video views. Keep watching. I will reveal the 5 steps and show you how to rank YouTube videos fast. These are simple, actionable steps you can apply for your next video to make your video the top search on YouTube. There is a hack I use to boost YouTube algorithm after I upload the video. I will also share that with you at the end of this video. The YouTube SEO process begins with video keyword research. You need to find high volume, low competition YouTube keywords. 90% of YouTubers fail on this. Make sure you don't make mistakes in choosing wrong keywords. I will show exactly how to find the right keywords for your YouTube videos. Your first step is to generate a list of potential keywords. Here is an example. What you see here is a spreadsheet with a list of potential keywords for each topic. In case you're wondering how to find keywords for your YouTube videos, I use the YouTube search feature. Just start typing on YouTube search bar and YouTube will hand you a bunch of keywords related to what you typed in. Then once you have a list like this, I will show you how to fill the columns here and find the best keyword from your list. One of the best ways I've found that determines how hard a keyword is to rank for is by using the software TubeBuddy. The link is in the video description. It is a Chrome browser extension and they have both a free version and a paid version. The free version is limited but still provides enough information that you need for analyzing keyword competition. For each of your keywords, use the TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer and check the TubeBuddy score. What you should look for is high search volume and low competition, which is leaning towards green. The higher the overall score, the better. If you have the paid version, you can see the weighted score, which is the score personalized for your YouTube channel. In addition, I use Google to search as well. Type your keyword following by this part. This number represents the total number of videos in YouTube about that topic. Write that number down for all the keywords. The higher the number is, the more competitive a keyword is. So you want to target keywords that have a low about results number. Once you have all this data filled, you will be able to select a keyword. The main keyword should be the keyword that has the highest TubeBuddy score and the lowest number of search results. You can also select an additional secondary keyword as well. Keep watching. I will show you how to use those. Now that you have your main keyword that you want to rank for, it's time to move to the next step of how to rank your YouTube videos fast for targeted traffic. If you want your videos to rank, you need to keep people watching. YouTube SEO algorithm considers this a huge ranking factor. If your video keeps people on YouTube, YouTube will rank your video higher in search results. Go to your YouTube analytics and see which videos have the highest retention and why. Was it something you said, the video editing, the sounds, images, and so on? Find what works for your audience and apply those to the new videos you create. I have created a video on how to increase your average video retention rate. Watch that video for specific tips. The link is in the description below. The third step is on-page YouTube video optimization. This is an important step in YouTube for SEO. On-page optimizations for YouTube videos boils down to 4 things. Title, description, tags, and thumbnail. There are specific things you need to follow to rank your videos fast. Keep watching. I will review all the guidelines you need to follow to rank your videos on YouTube fast. Video title has 2 things: your keyword and enticing headline. While clever video titles can garner attention, it is more important for your video title to be clear and keyword specific. Your video description gives the YouTube algorithm the context of your video. Use this as a guideline for the description. Include your keyword in the first 25 words. Make the description at least 250 words. Include your keyword 2 to 4 times. The video title, description, thumbnail influences the all-important click-through rate. I noticed that my videos that rank 1 in YouTube have a way higher click-through rate than other videos. So this is one of the best YouTube SEO tips I can give you. YouTube measures the click-through rate of your videos. Maybe YouTube has ranked you 5th in the search results, but your thumbnail and title are so irresistible that people start clicking on your video instead of the top 4. YouTube will notice, and chances are they will improve your ranking. You need to keep tweaking your video thumbnail. I created a video previously on the exact strategy I used to get higher click-through rates. Watch that video to get your videos a higher click-through rate. Tags not only help you rank for your target keyword, but also gets your video shown in related search video sidebar area of YouTube. When your video tags match a video that someone watching, you have a high chance of showing up in the suggested video section. Make your first 2 to 3 tags your main keywords. You can get the keywords from the list you created in the first step as part of keyword research. Next, add 2 to 3 tags of synonyms. For example, if jogging was one of your target keywords, then you would add running as a synonym tag. Next, add 2 to 3 semantic keywords. These are the related keywords to the main keyword. For example, jogging, it could be exercise. Step 4 is to feed the YouTube algorithm. Now, this is one of the YouTube video ranking tricks I use to rank YouTube videos fast. For YouTube algorithm to know about your videos and collect the above data we talked about, you need to get at least a few views on your video as soon as the video is uploaded. What I do is send out an email to my email subscribers. If you don't have an email list, I highly recommend that you have one. I created a video before on how you can create an email list for free. Watch that video for more details. In addition, you can also promote your video on Facebook, Reddit, Quora, and so on. The goal is to get views as soon as your video is uploaded. Step 5 is to get engagement. Now this means like, shares, and YouTube comments. Ask questions so that someone will add comments, and also urge them to give a thumbs up if they like the video. I hope this guide helped you show how to rank your YouTube videos fast. Apply these steps to your next video. Let me know in the comments what you are struggling with when ranking your YouTube videos.